Well, good morning everybody to another glorious day. And we're not using the DJI today, we're just going to be using the 360 with the DJI Mic 3 connected to it. So if you're watching this, it worked. Right, so today we're over to the Triumph 35 year anniversary. Let's be cheeky and we go over here. Just like that. Not too sure if they're going to do factory tours where you can walk around the factory. I hope so, because I remember doing it. Many years ago we did open days. Bloody Triumphs. That's what space is down here. It's a little bit different. I should have applied for mine to be an exhibitor. Well, that's a bit different. And here you got the movie bikes. Hobbs and Shaw, James Bond. A couple of nice Rocket 3s here. Yet to have a go on one of them. A 595, another triple like mine. I thought mine was the only RS here. Old trophies before my time, that was. Daytonas, Speed 4, another RS. Well, that's a nice seat on there. That's a nice colour. Gotta get a 1290 in it. Ooh, and a nice ZH2. I've got to admit, I'm a little disappointed at the moment. I thought there'd be a lot more going on here. A lot more events, stands. You know, back in the day, years ago, when Triumph used to do one, when I used to work for them, you'd have sort of like the burger vans, you'd have demo rides laid on, you'd have stunt shows going on. There's absolutely nothing like that here. It's just like a regular bike night. The once a month bike night that they put on, just with more bikes. Comment, you know, are you here? Have you had a wander around here? Come for the 35 year anniversary and been disappointed. Very disappointed. Don't even know if there's a factory tour going on. Another RS gone with the, I don't know, is that a MIV? I'm just sure if that's a MIV exhaust. Don't know about that cow being yellow. Each to their own. Few riding out. So we're just asking one of the organisers here, and it's just like a bike night, 35 year anniversary. Yet the factory's not open because it's on shut down. No big events going on, no stunt shows like it used to be. back in the day. They say have family days, which is probably the same thing. But if you're organising a big 35-year anniversary meet-up like this, I don't know. Comment, am I being a bit too harsh, or did you turn up and feel a little bit disappointed as well? Let me know in the comments. Well, I have to admit, I'm a little disappointed. I was expecting a bit more from that. Maybe I shouldn't have been. Maybe should have expected what it was. But for the 35-year anniversary of the new Triumph, I expected more than just what seems to be like a regular bike night. You know, a bit more shows, maybe demo ride-outs, more food stalls, more clothing stores, just a bit more about it, really. Comment about it. Did you go? Were you, is it what you expected? Were you expecting a little bit more? But there you have it. That was the 35-year Triumph anniversary. Thank you for stopping by. If you've lasted this long, I do appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you would do me the honours of a like and subscribe, if you will, it's always appreciated. Take care and ride safe.